Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, let me introduce about me. My name is Muhammad Rifal Bahasa, PJJ AK Class A. In this English for professional, I will describe some of the components of the computer here. In this presentation here, I use some picture to describe because I don't have a computer. Okay, let's go. In this picture, this is a hardware group of computer components that can directly seen with the eyes and can be touched or touched by hand. This hardware is also divided on two parts of make up a computer device name. This namely is input device. Okay. The first, this is this input device. This is a keyboard. It's a special keyboard for computers that consists of keys such as letter, numbers, and else several other commands. This keyboard is used to enter command given by the user. Okay, the next is mouse. Mouse is computer device that serves to assist the keyboard to entering data and command into computer. Okay, the next is microphone and headphone. It's a computer device that functions to record and input sound so that it can be stored in the computer's memory. Okay, output device. This can be directly monitor, printer, speaker, and scanner. Okay. Okay, the first is monitor. Monitor is a computer device that is used to find out all kinds of activities carried out by computer users and display information or data that has been processed. Okay, next picture. This is a printer. Printer is a computer device that serves to copy data stored on the computer into tangible forms. The next is speaker. Speaker is a computer device functions to convert electrical signals in audio frequency by vibrating membrane-shaped components. Okay, next, scanner is computer equipment used to scan data such as document, photos, temperature, wave, and others. Where they can result or computer into digital data as computer. Okay, the next is CPU device. You can see this computer device. This computer device is power supply, casing, Power supply is the on casing device. CD or DVD, microprocessor, RAM, video card, sound card, motherboard, and disk drive. Okay, the first we in power supply. Power supply. This is the picture, guys. Power supply. This is the power supply. Power supply is an electronic device that functions a power source of other device, especially for electrical energy source. The next is casing. Casing is a place or box that is usually made from aluminum, okay, which use a base enzyme to the hardware is in. The all of device processing device is under a casing, on the casing, in the casing. This casing is also processed outside of the PC, and everyone calls it the CPU. Now the CPU casing is specially designed so that the placement of the hardware device in is sturdy and doesn't get hot easily. So it's designed to have a ventilation. Okay, the next a part of CD or DVD drive. We know it better as a CD or DVD group, which functions to read data on disk or perform to process filling in the data on the disk. Okay, the next is microprocessor or this CPU processor. It's a computer device hardware that functions to carry out command and process data from software. This the picture. In the top of the microprocessor fan, microprocessor have a microprocessor fan to keep the cold of processor. Usually this component is hot. Okay, the next is RAM. RAM is random access memory. Okay, random access memory is a device that is used as a data storage medium in a computer whose content can be accessed at any time and does not pay attention to the location of data in memories. Okay, video card, VGA card, video graphic editor or shorter to VGA card is a hardware component that functions as a graphic data processor to display in the monitor or screen. This component is one of the most important if you want to process and display better graphic on the monitor. An example is playing game. Okay, the next is motherboard. You know, motherboard is the red color in this picture are motherboard. Motherboard is the main device contained in the computer where This port serves as a place for the attachment of other components in the computer so that they can be connected to each other. Okay, the next is hard drive. Hard drive or hard disk, hard HDD. This hard disk, hard drive have a large enough storage capacity, but it varies depending on the needs of its users. Okay. Okay. And the last is sound card. Sound card same with video card about the functionality, but sound card is hardware same like video card or video card for the function audio data processor. Here audio data that comes in via the microphone or audio data that comes out through the speaker. Okay. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.